fan. A fan. A fan is on a can.
That's a whole sentence. Okay, next.
Next page. Oh no.
Read it.
Dan ran. Dan ran. Dan ran. I can't read when your fingers like that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Dan ran. Dan ran.
And
Dan ran and ran.
Dan ran and ran.
Dan ran and ran. Dan ran and ran.
I know.
He
Next
did.
page.
One more page.
See how many pages there are?
Hurry up, come on.
Up.
The end.
The end.
And what's the subtitle of this book?
Dan ran.
Great job, kiddo.
Dan ran, Sophie. Dan ran.